Today I'm going to share with you a healthy breakfast cereal recipe that is a granola made of oats, mixed nuts and jaggery. These crisp clusters with slightly chewy centers are so delicious, guys. You've got to try it and you're going to make this in no time. Let's get started. And this is a quick no-bake recipe. So we are going to add 2 cups of rolled oats or old-fashioned oats to a pan set on low to medium heat. You can also use instant oats if you like. We are going to roast the oats till it turns golden brown and nice and crisp. If you press it with your nail, it should snap right away. That's when you know that the oats are perfectly roasted. As the sweetener, I'm using this absolutely amazing date palm jaggery. I shaved off approximately half a cup of jaggery from the whole ball of jaggery. You can use any jaggery of your choice. And for this recipe, I also roughly chopped some roasted mixed nuts. You can use any nuts of your choice. Just make sure to roast them for 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium heat if they are not already roasted. Next, set the pan on low heat, add in the jaggery and about 2 tablespoons of water. Next, we will add a pinch of salt, about 1/8 teaspoon. And we are going to continuously stir this over low heat until all the jaggery pieces melt and it forms like a thick syrupy consistency. This shouldn't take more than 2 to 3 minutes. We don't want the jaggery to be too thin because that's going to make the oats soggy, and we don't want it to be too thick because then that's going to not mix in well with the oats. As soon as it forms a single string consistency like that, you can turn off the heat and it's time to add in the oats as well as the mixed nuts. And that's it. Mix everything together. Make sure that the jaggery coats all the oats and the mixed nuts so that it forms those little clusters of granola that we love. And we are going to transfer this onto a parchment paper or a greased plate and let it cool down. If you let it cool down on the pan, it's going to be very hard to take it off. So make sure to transfer it onto a wax paper. I think that's the easiest. It's been about 15 to 20 minutes. It looks like it's cooled down, and can you hear that? They are so crisp, guys, and you just have to take it off the parchment paper, break it in those little clusters as small or as big as you like. And we are going to just transfer them into an airtight jar and store them for months. Guys, this is so crisp and the centers are slightly chewy, just the way you like it. The amount of jaggery is just the perfect sweetness for my taste. You can add more or less, and that's it. Your healthy breakfast cereal is ready. That's all for today, my friends. If you're on any of these different social media sites, I would love it if you'd follow me for written recipes. You can visit my blog. All the links are in the description. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you see what you're missing out. So please do, and press the notification bell so the next recipe comes straight to you. All right then, see you next week. Bye-bye.